Welcome to Jongik's channel. This video features a city situated amidst the picturesque landscape of Czech Republic, considered as a charming spa town of Europe with its elegant architecture, soothing thermal springs, and rich cultural heritage. It has been a magnet for tourists from across the globe. Join me to discover Karlovy Vary. I hope that you're going to like this video. From Zwickau train station, I took the train going to Johann Jurgenstadt, and from there I get off and took another train to Karlovy Vary. With the help of the train inspector, you can buy the ticket for €3 valid for 24 hours. The trip to this city is also amazing because the train railway is in the middle of the tall pine trees, and every places that you're going to pass through are also beautiful. So the time travel from Zwickau to Karlovy Vary took me about approximately 2 hours. When you arrive at their train station, you feel that its location is elevated. You can see the city in the distance. The staff at their train station can also speak English, so if you don't know German or the local language, you can ask questions in English. The bus that you can take to the city is number 1 and 13, but it is better to just walk to the city. Maybe 15 minutes and you will reach the city center. It's very beautiful, the breeze is cool, the place is safe for pedestrians. You will really be wowed by the looks of the infrastructures around the area, and above all, you will also feel that their culture still upheld the ancient method of transportation. Karlovy Vary is a spa city in the Karlovy Vary region of the Czech Republic. It is named after Charles IV, Holy Roman Emperor and the King of Bohemia, who founded the city. Karlovy Vary is the site of numerous hot springs and is the most visited spa town in the Czech Republic. The historic city center with the spa cultural landscape is well preserved and is protected by law as an urban monument reservation. It is the largest spa complex in Europe. In 2021, the city became part of the transnational UNESCO World Heritage Site under the name Great Spa Towns of Europe because of its spas and architectural from the 18th through 20th centuries. Whether you visit the town for a day or you plan on spending several weeks there, one thing is for sure, there are plenty of things to do in Karlovy Vary and you won't get bored easily. Hundreds of tourists pass through its colorful streets every year, lined with flowers and ornate decorations, including fountains with flowing thermal springs. During my visit, I really enjoyed seeing the facades and the surrounding parks. It is totally a visit not to be missed. The most famous church is Peter and Paul's Church, built in the 19th century and now a symbol of the city because of the contrasting colors of its golden domes and blue facade. The building was built during the city's golden age and was subsidized by Russian tourists who came to spend their holidays or to relax in the thermal baths. The best time to visit Karlovy Vary is in May, June, and September. Summer is the high season and there are a lot of tourists during the time. The official currency of the Czech Republic is Czech koruna. I recommend that you have to exchange money before you set off on your trip as it will be cheaper. Indeed, strolling through Karlovy Vary is like stepping into a bygone era. The town is adorned with magnificent, well-preserved buildings from the 18th and 19th centuries, as you can see in this video, and they really showcase impressive Baroque and modern architecture. When it comes to accommodation in Karlovy Vary, you will find a wide range of options to suit every budget and preference. From elegant spa resorts to cozy guest house, you can find it there. Karlovy Vary's historical charm is best explored on a romantic horse and carriage ride through its cobbled streets. With so much things to see and do, you could spend a long weekend here and still feel like you haven't seen it all. Indeed, this place is really worth visiting. If you are a big foodie and love nothing more than tasting fantastic food and great wine, Karlovy Vary has you covered. From Italian, French, or traditional Czech cuisine, you won't go hungry or feel like you've had enough time to visit all the food hotspots. There are famous and plenty restaurants to choose from and many sweet and good delicacies to eat. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So do not leave anything for later. Let us embrace the moments as they come with open heart and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. Until my next travel, this is Johnny's channel. Cheers!